Try again. Find the solution. I think I just did this problem. It was what, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -4. And let's solve the system. We have -10y plus, let's see, that's 45, 60, 75, 50 plus 25, yeah, 75, plus 4y is equal to 3. We have -6y is equal to -72, y is equal to 12. I think that's right. Y is equal to 12. And then if we plug that back in, we get 24 minus 15, we get 9. Stone fell from the top of the cliff to the ocean, and the air had an average speed of 60 meters per second, and the water had an average speed of 3 meters per second before hitting the seabed. The total distance from the top of the cliff to the seabed is 127 meters. The entire fall took 12 seconds. How long did the stone fall from the air, and how long did it fall in the water? So the total distance from the top to the seabed is 172. That's 127. Here I had 16, here I had 3, and the entire trip took 12 seconds. Okay, so let's have 16 plus 3 is 19. Then we have 123 divided by 19. Is equal to 6 seconds. So it had to be a lot more of the water. Okay, so let's have 16 plus 3 plus 3. Now we'll divide that by 3. I have 127 divided by this number is equal to 70. So it's going to be between 1 and 2. So we're going to have 127 divided by 12 needs to last 10.583 repeating seconds. And we have 16 and 3. 16x plus 3y. Divided by, was it 12? That's 127 is equal to 16x plus 3y. I have x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, we have 12 minus y is equal to x. Plug that into the equation. We get 16, 12 minus y plus 3y is equal to 127. We have 16 times 12, that's 192. Subtract that from both sides, we have 127 minus 192. We have negative 65 is equal to negative 16y plus 3y. And so we have 63 divided by negative, what is that, 13? 13. At 5. So y is equal to 5. And then x must has to be equal to 7. air for 5 seconds, and then the water for 7 seconds. Let's multiply this out. 5 times 16 I have 7 times 3 Maybe I got the numbers mixed up. 7 times 16. There we go. That's probably it. 5 times 3. Yeah, that's it. For 7 seconds. The water for 5 seconds. I'm happy with those numbers. Double checking. Yeah, I'm right. Is that a solution? No. 35 plus a positive number is 9 equals 7. How many solutions does this have? -5 infinitely many. Right? Because 1, take that out, -5. Estimate the solutions of equation. Well, we can divide by 2 on both sides. To get -2x plus 1.5y plus 1.5y is equal to 6. And so we can set this up to be 2x plus 3y is equal to -2x plus 1.5y. I'm happy with that. Then we have -4x, positive 4x, is equal to -1.5y. X is equal to 4y, -4y. -2/3 y. 2/2 y. And so if x is equal to, let's put 0. So 0 times, that's wrong. Best shot would be if this was -1. So we get that times 3, and then we're going to, that might be b. We have the -1, which is promising. We have 4, which would be 4 plus times 3. I think I trust b. Solve the system. 10y, -10y, minus 40 plus 3y is equal to 5. We have 45 is equal to -7y. And positive 40y? That makes more sense. You get 35. That's what I felt like. And so we get 35 divided by 7, which is 5. We get -5. So y equals -5. So -5 minus 4 is -9. And so that'd be 90 plus -15. Ah, that doesn't math. Ooh, it's probably positive 5. So this gets to be positive 1. I think I messed up my negative. So we get 5, we get 1. So we get 10 plus 15 minus 10 is 5. There we go. It's 2, 5 the solution. So we get 2 minus 5 is negative 3, that's correct. And then we get 2 is equal to, or 5 is equal to 2 plus 1, that seems correct. Both seem correct. Just hit the critical point. Wolf Bridge. Let's see. It was in Portugal for 5 months, 9 months, I think. Let's math. 130 times 5, 650, and 9 times 150. I think I did this problem before. Yeah. So 5 is the 150. So 5 times 150 is 750, and then 9 times 130 is 1170, and 1170 plus 750 is 1920. Yay! How many solutions does this have? I mean, sometimes infinitely many. If you put, as long as you have y is equal to 0. If you have y is equal to 0, you can have any real number x, such that because these two will always be the same. How many solutions does 3y equals negative 6x plus 9 and y is equal to negative 6x plus 9? How many solutions does that equation have? I think that equation would have, it should be infinitely many. If you divide each side by 3, they'd have different slopes though. So would this be parallel lines? They have different slopes, and one will have to be going this way while the other has to go this way, and you'll have only one solution. Oh, it's linear, so you're not going to have multiple places where y is equal to 0. Okay. Yay! 1820. Goodbye.